Why do we have an instinct to close our eyes when we sneeze? The instinct to close our eyes when we sneeze is a protective reflex. When we sneeze, air forcefully expels from our respiratory system at speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Closing our eyes helps shield them from any potentially harmful particles or droplets that may be expelled during the sneeze. Additionally, sneezing triggers a reflexive response in the nervous system, including the trigeminal nerve, which controls facial sensations and movements. Reflexive closure of the eyes is similar to the reflex that occurs when we blink or squint in response to sudden bright light or exposure to irritants, serving to protect the delicate tissues of the eyes from harm.